getting too many notifications from a specific contact on Viber but don't want to block them? Learn how to mute a contact and silence their alerts without missing any messages. Muting a contact on Viber is a handy feature that allows you to stop receiving notification alerts for messages from that specific person. The messages will still arrive in your chat list, but your phone won't ping or vibrate, providing you with a quieter experience. This is different from blocking, as you can still send and receive messages normally. All you have to do is tap and hold on the contact or group chat you want to mute. In the prompt that opens up, tap on Mute Chat. There, you'll have to select for how long you want to mute it. You can choose between 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or indefinitely. In case you change your mind early, you can easily unmute them as well. All you have to do is tap and hold on the chat you've muted, and in the prompt that shows up, tap on unmute. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!